Today I'll walk you through resolving the issue of your Samsung Internet browser opening automatically. Let's get started. Firstly, it's essential to disable pop-ups, a common cause of this problem. Open the Samsung Internet Browser app. Access settings by tapping the icon at the bottom right, then navigate to Privacy. Ensure the Block Pop-ups option is enabled. Next, clearing your cookies can help resolve the issue caused by accumulated data. Access settings once more. Select Personal Browsing Data, then choose Cookies and Site Data to delete. Additionally, ensure your app is up to date by checking for updates in the Play Store. If the problem persists, malware may be the culprit. Perform a scan for malware in your device settings under Battery and Device Care. Device Protection. Follow the prompts to scan your phone for any malicious software. Clearing the cache of the Samsung Internet browser can also help. Long press the app icon, tap the eye icon, then select Stop to close the app. Navigate to Storage and clear the cache. If you're not using the Samsung Internet browser as your primary browser but it still opens automatically, consider discontinuing its use. Access the browser's settings, then Privacy Settings, and choose to discontinue the use of the Samsung Internet browser. Confirm your decision, agree to the terms and conditions, and you're all set. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Samsung Internet browser opening automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content.